We'll install the WDS now. So we'll go to server manager, then we'll go to dashboard. Under the server manager dashboard, we'll go to add roles and features. Then we'll click next, next, and this is our IP address and server name. Then we'll click next, and here we will select WDS service. Okay, let us search for this Windows deployment services. Then we'll add features. So this WDS service is checked here. Then we'll click next, 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 and here we have two role services, deployment server and transport server. So both of them are checked. We can install both the services on the same server or on different servers. So we will install both of them on the same server. What is the use of the deployment server? It will deploy the operating system image on the PCs on the clients. What this transport server will do, it will transport data over the network. So let us click next and we will install the WDS. It will take some time, so we'll wait for the installation to be done. If you see, the installation is succeeded on server 1. Okay, so WDS is installed and we need to configure it now. So let us close this window.